Hi everyone. In this video we will learn how to create a simple yet delightful web app that greets the user based on the time of the day and their name. Here's how it works. When the page loads, it asks user for your name. Then it greets you with a personalized message like good morning Mitali depending on the time of the day. It's a great beginner friendly project that uses HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's get started. Let's begin with our HTML structure. We have created a simple structure with a div that holds two elements, one for greeting message and one for a short subtext. Now, let's move on to styling our greeting card. We are writing all our in CSS inside the style.css file that we have linked earlier in HTML. We'll start by applying a universal reset. Now we style the body tag to create a full page background and center the greeting card perfectly in the middle of the screen. We use the 100 VH for body height and flexbox to center everything both vertically and horizontally. The background uses a diagonal orange gradient for a warm, cheerful look. And we have set a clean font using Poppins. The card has white background with generous padding for breathing space. A subtle drop shadow and round corners make it soft and elevated. We also center the text and add a hover effect slightly using transform. So when someone hovers it, it slightly zooms in. Now let's style the greeting text. We make the greeting bold and large enough to stand out clearly. And lastly, we add a friendly subtext message below the greeting. Now coming to JavaScript. First we prompt the user to enter their name using prompt function. This displays a dialog box when the page loads. The text the user enters is stored in a variable called name. We'll use this name to customize the greeting message. If the user clicks cancel or leaves the prompt blank, we don't want the greeting to be empty. So here we check if the name is null, undefined or just white space. We fall back to using guest instead. The trim method ensures We remove any accidental spaces before checking. Now we target the HTML element where we want to display our greeting message. Next, we figure out the current time using JavaScript's built-in date object. We call getHours to get the current hour as a number between 0 and 23. Now comes the logic for choosing the right greeting. We create a variable called greeting message. Then, using if-else condition, we select the greeting based on the current hour. If it's before 12 pm, we say good morning. If it's before 5 pm, we say good afternoon. If it's before 9 pm, we say good night. And after that, we say good night. Each message is personalized by adding the user's name using a template literal. That's the backtext syntax with the name inside. Finally, we update the greeting on the page. We take the greeting URL, which refers to the div in our HTML, and set its text content to the message we have just created. And that's it. We have built a simple yet personalized greeting app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. As you can see, it asks you for a name, checks the current time, and then displays the current message, all in a beautiful styled card. This is a great example how small amount of JavaScript can make your web page feel interactive and welcoming.